Hello, good day. So I just been out hiking and I brought with me this package I got from Eat Carbs Outdoors. I'll link his channel below. He sent this to me. I won it on one of his channel giveaways. So thank you so much, Mark, for that. See? Got a couple stickers. Eat Carbs Outdoors. And this is a benchmark knife here. I believe it's D2. I don't remember, but I believe it's a D2. If not, I'll put it on the screen. A little leather piece with it, I guess, so you can make a lanyard. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. And not a neck lanyard, just a lanyard for the handle. This is a cool little blade. And a little Kydex sheath with a little clip retainer there. I don't think I've seen that before. Yeah, you can do this as a neck knife, or looks like you got a little clip here for belt carry. That's cool. Almost there for a full hand, but the benchmark. I don't know much about benchmarks. The spine does not feel 90 degrees, but it is sharp. Yes, some hair. It's a sharp little blade. Wow. I don't know how good the edge retention is going to be. As I said, I think it's D2. So I'll put that on the screen if not. Okay, so you got your lanyard hold here, and I don't know if you can see, but it looks like maybe micarta pins that they then, went over with and smooth flattened them out. So, cool little knife. Thank you, Mark, for the giveaway and sending this out to me. I'll definitely check it out. Not sure of the edge retention, but it's definitely a neat little knife, and I'll put the specs on the screen somewhere in the video. So just a little thank you, and look at this little benchmark. All right, so I'm back home. Decided to look up the specs on this. It is actually 420, not D2 like I was guessing earlier. Overall length 6 inches, 2 7/8 blade on that. Yeah, I was right with the micarta handle. Not sharp enough. Well, actually got a little bit. I wouldn't say that it's very good at the sparks. A little better up here towards the tip, but back here it's not very good at throwing sparks. But yeah, towards the tip it's a little better. So you can see tip, base of the spine. So I don't know. Definitely could be squared off, and it would throw a lot better sparks like an LT Wright would, or dark timber would, for most of the dark timbers. So yeah, a little improvement here, but it's sharp. Surprised it wasn't D2 actually. That surprised me. And then just got a little stick here I grabbed from outside, and it's making tiny curls. See that? Oh, come on, focus. There we go. Well, there we go. See, making tiny curls. Yeah. So would this be, my run around the woods knife? Probably not. But I mean, it's an okay knife so far. I don't know how good the edge retention is on it, but I mean, as a cheap knife, or inexpensive knife, should I say? Yeah, it's okay. It's decent. Yeah, they're under $20 on Etsy right now, so I believe that's where Mark got it. So yeah, it's okay. It's not bad. I've played with a lot worse knives, so. And I've got a lot better, so yeah, it's okay. It's okay. But anyway, thanks for stopping by. I'll again put a link to Eat Carbs Outdoors below. And remember, get outside, enjoy life. Check out all these videos floating around here for other great content. Also, be sure to like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification, comment, check out the links below. It all helps the channel and the family. Every little bit.